As part of the Sustainable Development Goals Flag Day and 7th anniversary, the government of St. Maarten recognized the EPIC Foundation as the recipient of the SDG Champion Award. To witness this achievement and receive this award on behalf of EPIC Foundation was Mr. Ruben Thompson and presented by Deputy Prime Minister Egbert Duran with support by staff of the Department of Interior and Kingdom Relations, BAC. Environmentalist and associate Ruben Thompson of EPIC Foundation, during his thank you remarks, gave appropriation to Mr. Emilio Wilson and his vision for St. Maarten some 30 years ago. Mr. Thompson expressed his appreciation and continued commitment to the realization of the SDGs for St. Maarten.
I was thinking to myself how appropriate it is for us to be gathered here today to mark SDG Flag Day at the Emilio Wilson Cultural and Historical Park. A park made available to the people of St. Maarten by its owner, the late icon, Mr. Emilio Wilson, who himself was an advocate for the sustainable development of St. Maarten. I invite you to look up Mr. Emilio Wilson on YouTube. You'll find a video of some 30 years ago in which he, in his own unique way, yet very St. Maarten way, talks about the need for sustainable development of St. Maarten. Allow me, on behalf of the board of EPIC, project teams, interns, and volunteers, to say a few words in appreciation of this occasion. According to the United Nations, and I paraphrase, the Sustainable Development Goals are a call for action by all countries to promote economic growth and prosperity while protecting people and the planet. Today, September 23rd, 2022, some 7 years after the adoption of the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDG flag will be raised at various places in countries and territories all around the world to show support for these goals, which cover topics such as gender equality, access to quality education, decent work, clean water and sanitation, sustainable cities, and of particular interest for us in the context of which we are gathered here today, climate action and biodiversity, which includes life below water and life on land. Environmental Protection in the Caribbean St. Maarten supports this global movement for a better world by acting locally. EPIC's mission is to promote conservation on St. Maarten through research, education, outreach, and advocacy, and the EPIC team has been active on island for over 20 years.